Comparing Apple and Nothing mobile phones, a breakdown of differences. Apple, known for its premium build quality, sleek design, and consistent ecosystem. Apple focuses heavily on delivering a seamless user experience with devices that work well together: Mac, iPhone, iPad, etc. The design language of the iPhone is minimalist and refined. Nothing, a newer brand, founded by Carl Pei, co-founder of OnePlus, focused on creating a unique design and user experience. Nothing's phones, particularly the Nothing Phone 1, have a distinct design with transparent backs and LED light strips that set them apart from other smartphones. Apple uses iOS, a closed-source operating system known for its stability, security, and smooth integration across Apple's devices. iOS is widely regarded for its long-term software support, often 5+ years. Nothing uses a customized version of Android called Nothing OS. It emphasizes a clean, minimalist UI with added design elements like floating widgets and a simple interface. The software is not as polished as iOS but offers a more flexible user experience. Apple's iPhones are powered by custom-built chips, A-series, known for leading performance benchmarks in the mobile industry. Apple's devices also feature high-quality cameras, fast charging, and smooth performance. iPhones are known for their long-term durability. Nothing phones, such as the Phone 8, feature mid to high-end processors, e.g., Snapdragon 788G+, and while the performance is good for most users, it generally falls behind the iPhone in terms of raw power. Nothing focuses more on design and user experience rather than raw performance. Apple iPhones are known for their excellent camera systems, particularly in terms of color accuracy, low-light performance, and video recording capabilities. The iPhone's camera is often seen as a benchmark in mobile photography. The cameras in Nothing phones are good but not at the same level as Apple's iPhones, especially when it comes to consistency and low-light performance. However, Nothing puts effort into providing a user-friendly camera interface and decent features for the price. Apple iPhones are premium devices with higher starting prices, typically ranging from $700 to $1,400+ depending on the model. Nothing phones are generally more affordable, positioned in the mid-range market, typically ranging from $300 to $500, making them more accessible to a broader audience. Apple iPhones are well known for having efficient battery management. Apple's devices usually last a full day of typical usage, and the efficiency of its custom chips helps optimize power consumption. The battery life of Nothing phones is decent, but generally, they do not match the iPhone's efficiency. That said, their battery life can still last a full day with moderate use, though it may vary more significantly depending on apps and features. Apple iPhones are part of a larger Apple ecosystem, which is a major selling point. Devices like the Apple Watch, AirPods, and iPads integrate seamlessly, offering a unified user experience. Nothing aims to build its own ecosystem, but it is not as extensive as Apple's. Currently, Nothing has a limited number of products, such as earbuds, Nothing Ear 1, and the integration isn't as deep as Apple's. Apple often focuses on refining existing technologies and providing incremental innovation. While not always the first to introduce new features, Apple ensures that its products work well and that new innovations are implemented efficiently.